Hey, so for lunch today we're making some jackfruit. I discovered this because it's all over Pinterest and I'm like, what is this jackfruit thing? You alright, Minnie?
So we make waffles.
Yes. Minnie's walking around here somewhere.
And they're good.
Yes, we make waffles and they're good. We're making a lot of things today, and since today is a good day in my pregnancy, I was like, let me see how many videos I can make. So we're making some jackfruit. We're gonna make it kind of like shredded, I don't know, chicken, barbecue chicken kind of. Ew, it's not real chicken, Manny. You never.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He says so. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how I have made it. Now this is the jackfruit here. This is the can that I get. I found it at our local shop, right? And this is what it looks like right out of the can.
Looks like cow.
I don't know what to say that looks like. Okay, but that's what we're starting with. And the directions say, one of the directions off of Pinterest say you should rinse it really, really well. So what I do is I rinse it and then you can't really see. Now it has these little, like, I don't know if you can see that. It has these little like seed pods in there. So I make sure to take them out. And when you like kind of massage it a little bit, they kind of just pop out. And then, see, there's more there. Take all those out. They have a kind of a different like little taste. Not a bad taste, but it doesn't add to the barbecue chicken that you're kind of going for. And then you see your, hold on baby, I'll show you in a minute. You see you're kind of left with these little like shred looking things. And that's what's gonna give it like that kind of chickeny texture. So I'll show you more after I cook it because it really separates up better. Okay? Okay, so back to the jackfruit, or with the jackfruit, we're going to put some oil in there. It calls for olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, but I don't like cooking on high heat extra virgin olive oil because it burns really fast and I don't like that smoky smell. So we're gonna let that heat up a little bit and we're gonna put in the onions and the jackfruit first. This is like one whole onion. And see, here's my jackfruit. I'm gonna put that in there too. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. And I'm going to stir fry that until the onions are a little caramelized. And as this heats up, the jackfruit will start to spread apart more and kind of like start shredding like chicken. Is that a seed? I missed a seed. Like I said, these little seeds, you see that? These little seeds are, oh, that's why those YouTubers put their hand behind it, so you can focus, huh? Okay. The seeds aren't bad, they just don't add to the flavor that you're going for. I like them. Huh? More waffles? Oat waffle from the other video. Here, Mama. Alright, so you're looking at onions and jackfruit sauteing. I know, I usually try to be more, what do you call it? The stage presentation better, put it on my table, use my other, but if I wait till I get it perfect, I'll never get to show you how to make this, and this is so delicious. You know, I used to put this in my non-stick pan. It's starting to stick a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to put,
No, that's Olivia's waffle.
Hey, listen.
No, Olivia ate her waffle.
That was Olivia's waffle. He doesn't care. Alright, I'm putting a little bit of, you see that? Garlic powder.
It's not hot.
Garlic powder. Yeah, we're gonna put some paprika.
Here.
Some cumin.
Mom,
Oh, baby. I like to put smoked paprika in there. And half a teaspoon of sea salt. Stir that around. We put a little bit of maple syrup in there. Barbecue sauce kind of has that sweet. Barbecue has kind of a sweet taste. Now the big chunks of jackfruit like this, I just kind of smash it. Now that it's nice and hot, and you see it smashes right, kind of meaty like, okay? So if you have any big chunks in there, just kind of smash it. Now that it's nice and hot, it'll smash. Now I'm going to put the barbecue sauce in there. I use this barbecue sauce. It doesn't have high fructose corn syrup in there. So it calls for a cup, but that's a bit much for me, for us. So this might be like a third to a half a cup. And then I'm going to just let that simmer in there until it kind of dries out. That is practically done. I want to get you even closer so you can see. Okay, so this is the jackfruit with the barbecue sauce kind of simmering in there. I put all the seasonings in there. So this is what it looks like close up. Now I'm going to let that simmer till it kind of dries out, and it even makes it more meaty like. If you can kind of see, like, whoop, getting foggy. But it absorbs, the jackfruit really takes on the flavor of whatever you put on there, and it's just really delicious. Look, what, Mama? What? Look. What are you doing? Cheese, you're so funny.